Hey everyone! I'm super excited to introduce you to Deepfaker, the ultimate tool for detecting deepfake videos. Whether it's spotting a fake news clip or verifying an important message, Deepfaker has got you covered. First, let's see it in action. I'll upload this video of Putin. Just click Upload, select the video, and hit Submit. Our advanced AI gets to work, and in just a few seconds, boom! The result shows it's a deepfake with a confidence score. Plus, you can see the confidence for each frame. Now, let's test with the real video. Same process, and as you can see, it's accurately detected as real. Want to run Deepfaker on your own machine? It's super easy. Clone our repository and follow the setup instructions. Try Deepfaker today and make sure you know what's real and what's fake. Link in bio. Bye.